Hey everybody, welcome back to the Faithful Studios. That's what we're calling it now. I'm Faithfully Bearded Tyson, and today is Saturday, and I love Saturdays, but we're doing a video for the international series that we do. So we got a package here, and this came from international somewhere, I'm not 100% sure, UK somewhere. So we're going to open this up. So if you're new here, again, I'm Tyson. Hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up button, the bell. If you're not new here, thanks for coming back. Thanks for checking this out. Hit that thumbs up button. And we're going to do the intro, and then we're going to get this thing started with a bang. All right, so we got the bang flowing. We got the package here, so let's get into this. Let's grab that trusty Hobby Lobby razor blade. So we have a nice, I think I know what this is, but I'm not 100% sure. We have this a nice padded envelope here that came. I had to sign for this, so I had to go pick it up at the post office, and that's all right. You know, just I'd almost rather go pick stuff up at the post office and sign for it to make sure that I get it, because I've had some trouble with USPS lately. But so we'll open that up. I'm getting some citrus scent already. So first things that we have here, another padded envelope. So we got dual padded envelopes to make the journey overseas. So let's just grab the paperwork out right away. Grab the paperwork. Let's see what this is. I'm pretty sure this is Grzzly Beard Oil. Pretty sure it's Grzzly Beard Oil. But there's no I in Grizzly. So it's just Grzzly Beard Oil. So this is just my receipt we got there. Next thing I grab out here. We have this little felt bag. So we're gonna open this up. Let's see what we have in here. We have a card. We have a card. So there you go. That's the logo right there. And you have contact info on the back. My camera's not going to focus on this. There's some contact info. And the first thing we're going to pull out is... Okay, so look at this. So you got this beard oil. You got a tag on here that says the scent profile. Little twine going around. Look at these labels. These labels are pretty much what I'm going for when I look at a label. Like, this is what I would like to do. So, it says shake before use, the how to use, not tested on animals. So, let's just see. So this is Citrus Fusion. We'll shake it up. That little twine tag, that's kind of cool. I like that. The dropper is pretty stiff, but I like that actually. So we'll get a full squeeze in here. There you go. Some nice yellow oil here. So let's just do this. That is citrus. Woofda. I would like to know the scent profile on this because I smelt citrus right away. I gotta go look at the scent profile, but this is a good citrus. Like, I like this. So the beard oil, okay, so this is natural ingredients. So argan oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond, and vitamin E oil. Check that label out though. Like, this is my style. You got the flat black with the, I guess it's the rose gold type, like shiny foil print. So there's that. Let's see what else we got in this felt bag here. So that here you have their balm. So you got the black tin. On the back it says Citrus Fusion, and then you have the same style label right here. This is really cool. I really like the look of their labeling. Then here's the balm. So there you go. You get a little bit of the balm smell, you get a little bit of the beeswax, but you also get a good scent. So you got shea butter and beeswax, natural oils. So you get a little bit of balm scent, but nothing bad. I like it. I'm excited to get it in the beard and try it out. Next we have another felt bag that I got from them. See what we got in here. Let's see. Here we go. So this one, oh, then we got a tag that fell off. So this one here, you got another tag. It's called the Sherbert. And I think they have different lines. So like you can see this bottle is black. The bottle itself is black, and it's like a matte black. It's actually really cool. The label is that flat black again, and then you have silver foil. Like, this is awesome. But there's different lines. So like I think this is like the silver line, or maybe it's the platinum line. And then you have the rose gold. So as you can see, like this is an amber bottle with rose gold label. This is a flat black bottle with a silver label. I'm not exactly sure the lines off the top of my head, but this one is the Sherbert. So same stuff on the label. It looks like these tags are pretty cool. Let's give it a good shake. We got like a child-proof cap on there. So here you go with the look of the oil. This is a little more lemon to me. I'll have to look at the scent profile on the Sherbert. But both of these are good, and I'm ordering them, I'm assuming, because of I like citrus scents. And so usually you don't go wrong with a citrus if you don't really know what you're getting into. So that leaves one last thing to pull out of the bag here, and here we have it right here. So we got the tag on here. This is liquid gold 24K Flakes. So you got a clear bottle, you got their black label, it's got gold foil, you can see the yellow. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Let me shake it up and see if we can tell. See if you guys, let's get up on this here. Come on, camera. Can you guys see the flakes in there? There is 24 karat gold flakes in there. So I'm kind of interested, like, what's going to happen when I put it in my beer? Let's just see what it smells like first. So here you go. Here's the dropper. Can you see flakes in the dropper? That's pretty cool. Okay, so this smells, I mean, it hit me and I'm just like, whoa, that is good. That is, I feel like it's citrus and coffee. Like I get coffee, but also citrus. This is crazy. All right, we're gonna do something real quick here. We're gonna get some of this. I'm gonna put it in my hand with this gold flakes, and we're gonna put it in the beard because, oh my gosh, this is really good. Like now in the hands like this, I'm getting a lot more of the citrus with undertones of coffee. So I wonder if my beard's gonna get like gold flakes in it. Like I had to open this and try this out. This is like really, it smells like a Starburst or Skittles with maybe like some undertones of coffee. I gotta go look at the scent profile on this. So we're gonna just brush this through real quick with my ox horn comb. Just get that put through. the beard here. All right. So we got that in. That is unique, to say the least. And I'm trying to like, I think I got some of the gold flakes on my hands still that I can see or feel. I don't know. But this is interesting. This is really awesome. Like, I'm going to have to talk to him about this. And I would recommend you guys try this out. This scent is just like nothing that I've ever smelt before. And it is super cool. So if you guys are into like trying out UK companies, anything overseas, I like to try them out and see what they have to offer over there. But if you guys are into that, this stuff, this scent, all three were good. So we have the Citrus Fusion, the Sherbert, and then the Liquid Gold. And like, this is not like a like, this is citrusy, but okay, so let's see. 24 karat gold flakes. Like, I gotta go look at scent profiles of this. Maybe I'll type them in the comments below so you guys have them. But I definitely recommend checking them out. And I mean, the carrier oil blends are good, so I don't necessarily feel like there's necessarily a need to follow up much more than this. I really just wanted to expose these guys to you. And I think that would pair well with the Citrus Fusion balm I have here too. So I kind of want to test the balm and see what kind of hold it has. Should we just see how it Okay, so it's a thin. It's like a. This reminds me of some balm that I don't know who it reminds me of. I guess I don't really want to compare, but it's a softer balm. I don't really think you can like. Yeah, you can kind of push into it. So it's a softer balm. I'm going to assume that it's not going to have a huge hold, but we'll try it out. Shea butter is the #1 ingredient, so I mean that kind of makes sense. Like, it's not like beeswax. That's the #1 ingredient, which is generally what, waxes kind of give the hold, and the butters are more moisturizing. So I'm assuming this probably won't have like a huge hold to it, but it's going to be moisturizing, and it does smell good. Woofda. That smells citrusy, fruity. I like this. This is like right along my scent line that I really, really enjoy. So this stuff's awesome. I'm going to wear this around this weekend and see how I think after a couple days of putting it in my beard. But I'm liking the scent profiles. I know that they've been jumping in my live streams and stuff like that, so I really appreciate that. Thank you, Grzzly. And the shipping was great for international. Yeah, I had to sign for it, but when you got 24 karat gold flake beard oil, you want to make sure that mailman is not stealing it. So I think you guys should check them out. At least check out the website. I'll link it down below. Support some UK companies if you guys are into that. I know there's a couple of you guys that want to get beard oils from other countries. This is the opportunity to do it. I'd recommend these guys for sure. So I think that's about it, guys. Comment below if you like to try international stuff. If you want to try international stuff, comment on other people's comments. Let's keep interaction going. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'll link that below too. You can follow me on Instagram. We can chit-chat there. We like to do lives. We're all about family, God, giving back, and growing this community with men, women, other countries, everything we can do. So, grab your bang, and if you don't have it in the UK, I recommend trying to find it. Grab your coffee, stroke your man mane, and until I see you guys next time, God bless you all.